So today is the 24th. 24th.
कवल कवल आप हमारा ऑक्सीजन हो, आप ऐसे मत करो।
तो आप तो ऑक्सीजन लेने ही नहीं आ रहे थे, तो आप तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में बैठे थे। So 24th, 11th, 24th. We are live on Insta and we are live on Facebook. So how does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? So today's topic is security. When I say security, all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors that you have about security, insecurity, you have. That's a lie, actually. Would you be willing to destroy and ungate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, shots, boys, POBADs, bases, and beyonds. So, tell me, what is security for you? And is it even real? Actually, you're not willing to know the value of you. If you knew the value of you, if you knew who you truly be, would you be insecure? And insecurity is an unwillingness to know. How often do you try to prove you're secure? That is when you are insecure. Otherwise, would an infinite being need to be insecure or even to prove that he or she is insecure, even to get it in the awareness of what actually that means? Is it even real? So, what comes up when you say security? What do you need security for? And from whom? Anybody? Manisha? Mamta?
एट प्रेजेंट तो मटेरियलिस्टिक सिक्योरिटी ही ढूंढते रहते हैं।
Hmm.
मनी होए तो सिक्योर होंगे, आगे लाइफ सिक्योर होगी, अपना घर होना चाहिए लाइफ में।
ये जो घर है अपना नहीं है, ममता?
नहीं, अपना है, पर ये यूजुअली ये थिंग्स आती है हेड में। आई मीन टू से माय हाउस इज ओन।
आप अपनी बताओ,
हाँ,
दूसरी की छोड़ो।
एंड बच्चे आगे होंगे तो सिक्योर होंगे लाइफ में, एक रह जाएगा तो क्या करेंगे, यू नो दिस थिंग्स।
आता है, सच्ची सच में आता है ममता?
ये तो आता है बाबा।
इफ यू आर लिविंग योर लाइफ फ्रॉम 10 सेकेंड इंक्रीमेंट।
नो, कभी कभी ये बात तो आ जाती है, फिर बाद में चेंज भी जल्दी हो जाती है अवेयरनेस में। आई थिंक नो, यूनिवर्स इज देयर, ही इज होल्डिंग माय हैंड। क्या हो, जो बच्चा होल्ड ही नहीं करेगा तो क्या करेंगे। इट्स ओके, बाय। अभी अवेयरनेस तो बहुत आई है।
So how many times have you tried to give children a sense of security and predictability, thinking that's the great way to teach your kids? Is it really? Or is it making, is a great way is to make them aware of that they are an infinite being, and as long as they're here, they will be provided for. Haven't you heard elders tell you when a child is born? Hi, Shweta. Haven't you heard when children are born, everybody says, वो अपना जो कुछ उसको चाहिए वो साथ लेके आता, फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है। ये सुना हुआ है आपने कभी?
यस, यस।
So
अपने
where
बस
is
अपने आप लगता है।
so where is it that you buy this from? Whose reality? Are you willing to return it to sender with consciousness attached?
यस, यस, वेरी मच।
And unpredictability is the is actually the greatest gift you can give to your kids. if they stop exploring, if they stop living, if they stop finding what else is possible, then will they have a life that you want them to have?
That was beautiful, Kamal. And unpredictability is also the greatest gift I can give to myself.
Exactly, you can give to yourself. And how many of us are defending all the time our insecure upbringing? Is now the time to be unpredictable and to क्या कहते हैं, extrapolate and be the one to choose beyond this reality just because you can and just because it's fun.
With this word only, unpredictability, so much spark comes in the eye.
I know.
What next? What next? Mystic,
What
like
next?
mystic.
How much of our life are we creating from the need of insecurity, need of security, rather than the space of change?
You're looking beautiful,
Thank you.
Kamal.
आपकी आंखों का कसूर है, darling. And thank you. So the illusion of security is drudgery.
वैसे मैंने बताया था एक दिन कि हाँ, आंखों का कसूर तो है, हम हीरे पहचानना जानती हैं, आंखें
हाँ,
हमारी।
बिल्कुल. Okay, and this is also the trait of, have you realized, this is also the trait. Hi, Rupal. This is also the trait of humanoids.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, blissfully, Sandy Pan. This is also the trait of humanoids looking for security. Humans are secure because they have the right answer. And if it doesn't work, they have perfect justification. I am only human. You are
Interesting.
not. Sorry?
Very interesting. I'm only human. फिर कह देते हैं.
है ना?
Yeah.
मैं तो सिर्फ human ही हूँ. So when you don't know something is right, and when you don't know that something is not working for you, please, please, please do not go into your being unkind to yourself. Oh, I don't know, I'm so wrong, I'm so bad. I could have done better, should have done better. What's wrong with me? Are you being kind to yourself? Welcome to the unkind being that you're making yourself to be. This reality's truth is contraction. And live the life as it is handed over to you through the manual, defined, finite, limited, constricted. And you have to constantly judge yourself and look at others to fit in. Is that fun? So there is something that he's written. Winter is here. Oh my God, are you in North? Winter is here, and your colorful, beautiful sweaters are reminding us to be more conscious and access more conscious. Okay, my sweaters remind you to be. I will wear them even in summers if they remind you to be conscious. It's a choice, darling, to be conscious. You need to choose to be conscious in every now moment, sweater or no sweater. But thank you. How much fun it is, guys, to be insecure, to look for security. How much work it is. And it's a job you will always fail at. And yet you are secure in keeping it. For what reason?
कंफर्ट जोन हो गया है,
Yeah,
पूरा एनर्जी डिप्लीट हो जाता है फिर भी कंफर्ट जोन हो गया है.
bilkul, bilkul. What if uncomfortable was the comfort in today's world? When you're uncomfortable, you look for something greater. You choose something different, which you always knew was possible, but you didn't until you were uncomfortable. Like we say, alcoholic hits his rock bottom to choose something different. Why do you want to go into that drudgery? Why can't you just choose it just because you can? So, what is security? Security, like I said in the beginning, some of you didn't come secure. Insecurity is an unwillingness to know. What are you not willing to know? That you are an infinite being, that everything is available, that the buffet is laid out, that you can choose and have anything that you desire. So, what is security for you? It's an enslavement to this reality because everybody is saying the same thing. How often we think that it's security to live in the city that we live, security to live in the past, security because I have these friends from last 20 years, security because I'm doing this job for 40 years. Is that a binding and limitation or security? Living by everybody's projections on you, following them just to please people. Is that insecurity or limitation or what? And when they don't approve of you, are you allowed to get rid of them? Hello, Indrapal. Welcome. So, do you have infinite choice of what you can choose? Or you just live by the norms of this reality because you feel you can be secure? And what's the gift and what's the value of being secure? What are you aware of? You have to cut off your awareness. You have to not know who you truly be. That sense of you, the being, the infinite being. You never have to have that sense. Like Mamta says, what is familiar is comfortable. Comfort, safety, security, are all lies, guys. So, what do you want to be secure of? What would make you secure? Have you ever wondered, or have you ever written? How does it get any better than that? Awesome, thank you. She says, perfect topic for today. Needed this urgently. Many people will do a pretense of insecurity as a way of possession. To possess somebody is to keep them from having a life. And it keeps you from having a life that you could have. Your whole life becomes about holding on, or about possession. Materialistic also possession. Or possessed by somebody else. I don't know if I'm making any sense.
Total.
There is so lull, there is no response, there is no picture, there's nobody, I don't even know who's even listening.
No, you said you took it from my head. I was about to ask when you were asking what is security. So it came that when somebody, is happy with you, you feel secure. They're unhappy, you feel insecure. So you said it's about possession. Yeah.
Yeah. And if you didn't have all that you binds you and holds you and makes you a slave, what else would be possible? You get to be anything you choose to be. Otherwise, you put up barriers. You build walls. Hello, Betty. You put up barriers to different things, different people, as though that's going to give you some kind of protection or security. Does it work? If you lived for 10 seconds, lived from 10-second increment, would you be insecure? You live in past, you live in future, you live in your head, yes. But if you lived this 10-second to the fullest, would you be insecure? If you actually function from knowing that you are an infinite being, you'll have unlimited choice, unlimited capacity and ability, whole universe to tap into. Would you please allow yourself to live fully the life that you're meant to live, the life that you have come here, chosen to live? And does insecurity even have a place in that? So look at yourself. Close your eyes and ask yourself, are you really insecure? And where do you get that shit from? Gary says at the age of 2, whatever limitations or points of view that you have picked them at the age of 2 or before. Was your parents insecure?
Kamal, I feel we are picked up from the womb itself.
Exactly. Who do you get that from? Your father, your mother, your grandparents? Who were insecure? Or friends growing up? Everywhere you bought that from, whoever you bought that from, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Return it to sender with consciousness attached. Each one of us lives less than 10% of what is available for us to live from. We only allow ourselves to know as much or never more than 10%. And you receive as much you're willing to receive. And do you realize how much effort and energy to live only that limited when 990 is available to you? When you just recognize that you are an infinite being, you would start to choose greater. You stop yourself. How much have you limited yourself not to know what else is possible? Not to choose beyond what you think is secure. And how many lies do you have to keep telling yourself to live in that limited cesspool? And use all the energy against you instead of for you. Just close your eyes and get the energy of who you truly be. And say, am I an infinite being? Is it light? Is it light?
Very light.
All right, beautiful. So, what are we talking about here?
So you can tell Kamal that 10th December we are starting the book with Best Junior Projections, Expectations, Separations, Judgments, Rejection.
Yes, please listen to what Nipi is saying. We finished.
It's a lovely book club, guys. Sandipan, I had seen you showing interest in some of the books, so I think it can be very contributive. It's in the morning, 8 to 9 a.m. Yeah.
8 to 9 a.m. from 10 December.
10th December. This is a lovely book. We've read it again, but we want to read it again because it's amazing.
This time, let me choose it. I always say, "Acha, मैं office नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगा." Let me choose it and read it.
No,
Okay,
you
I'll be there.
just choose it. Just choose it because it's so amazing. This book and Kamal facilitating, it's next level. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, please, we love to have you have your contribution because every person brings in magic.
That is that Simmons Miller's books of relationships, right? नहीं,
Sorry?
Gary का book है. ये Gary वाला book है, right?
Gary का book है. Yeah. It's projections, expectations, separations, judgments, and rejections. Okay, let's get back to security. So, why do you play small? Have you ever asked yourself, hey, where am I? Why my video is not on? Okay, here I am. So why do we play small? Have you ever wondered, guys? Because we only commit to 10%. Because we are not willing to go beyond. It scares us. The magic scares us. The miracles scare us. And then our life is because we have a reason and justification for failing. We love failing rather than achieving. We keep asking for success, we keep asking for achieving, but what we choose is less, always. So what all are you choosing to commit to your non-successful failure life? Everywhere you're not choosing to commit to yourself. More than 10%. Is now the time to choose something different? The moment you make the commitment, it's just a choice. Okay, universe, I am here. I'm choosing for myself. Hold my hand. Take me through. Guide me, show me. And then choosing all that is light is stepping up. Even though you have no idea what you're asking for, just because it's light. It doesn't have to be logical. Yesterday I was listening to one of Kalpana's calls, which recently I think she just went to London to watch a concert or a theatre performance. So some performance. Just when somebody said, Suraj, I think works for him, her, and he said, oh, there's a performance, let's go. And she said, okay, let's go. Is there any logic? It's so expensive, the ticket going to London. No, but just because it was fun and light for her, she chose. And she got a class there. She got people to do sessions. If you can find it, or I'll put the link on it's on YouTube, I think. I'll put the link in the group. Listen to her. What if you started to step up where you never chose before? What have I never chosen that is possible today and I can choose? You always have choice, total choice. But you want to go into conclusion. You want to go into deciding and pros and cons and money and everything. And then it's like the foundation gone. It's like in How to Become Money workbook, they talk about security. You are the security. You are the one who's creating everything. Whatever you have created is you being there. You have chosen, you made choices, and you will be there always. So what are you choosing? If you went to question instead of conclusion, would you have more possibilities or less? Just asking. And do you ever realize you're missing on 990 of your life? When you're choosing limited, when you're choosing security, when choosing the lies that you have been told? Who all would not want their life to be expanded and fun and joy? If all of you are saying yes to it, you are all liars. Only when you're committed. Only when you're committed to your life, you would be able to hear everything. You would be able to receive all the whispers of the universe. You will hear each and every conscious molecule on the planet when you're truly committed. Because then that tape in the head is not camouflaging or not sabotaging your very being. You won't listen to that tape running in your head. And when you're truly committed to your life, the universe has your back. Universe always has your back. But if you don't have your back, universe can't have your back. Because universe works on energy. it attracts more of the energy that you're sitting in. How many of you are committed to this reality, to fit in, to belong? Even though you are aware that something more is possible. Even though there's deep down inside, you know that, oh my God, I can be somewhere, but I choose to be here. Willing to choose for you is a commitment that you have to make. That's your security. You committing to self. Because then you will make choices which feel light and fun. Then you will not sit there in judgment of them or judgment of you. You will follow the lightness. You will listen to the whispers of the universe. You will dance in rhythm with the kainat. You will stop keeping yourself to the smallest element. Elementals will be your partners, dance partners. So what, just for one moment, what would it be like for you to be all of you? Have you ever wondered?
Feel that I'm fearful of that too at times.
Yeah, because you don't want to be too much. What will people say? They will judge you. So did people around you tell you you're too much when you were growing up? Yeah.
Parents say too much to handle.
Now,
Teachers say too much to handle. I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है दबा लो बंद कर दो सब.
exactly. You're scared to be all of you. Too much for this world. The world will not be able to handle you. So let's be small. Because you're all more considerate about everybody else than you. You come last on the list, on the priority list. Yeah. What if you didn't have any barriers? What, getting up in the morning, you started to lower your barriers and ask the universe, come on, I'm ready. What else is possible? How many of you save money? Hi, Jazz. Hi, Smita. Mehak. Sorry, I was so busy looking that side. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're listening. I hope it's audible. So how many of you save money, save jewelry, save food, save clothes for an occasion, for security?
Me.
What does this projected future really do for you? I remember looking at my grandmother. She would go out and then she'll come back and then she'll immediately take off her bahar ke kapde or ghar ke kapde, and then she would fold them and keep them for the next occasion. Thank God that has changed with many. You just get ready for whatever the world, at least I am. I get ready in the morning, then I'm ready for everything. I don't have to change to go out. I don't have to change to stay home. I am ready. So, guys, have you realized that you have created the idea that there is such a thing as security or safety? In reality, if you tapped into your knowing, what would you get? And even after even after having that idea, even after working all that hard, even after giving up yourself, at what cost you will keep that security and safety, has it worked for you? Are you safe still? Is your money in the bank safe? Is your jewelry in the bank safe? Is the land under you safe? If you're in California, of course you're not, but even here, who knows? There could be an earthquake tomorrow. Even if you just stay in your house and don't do anything, you think you're safe. What would it take for you to embrace your true greatness? That is the only security there is, guys. What if you asked for awareness? What if you chose any and everything that feels light to you and receive it? Where would you be? Not going to conclusion, please. The primary platform of this reality is come to right conclusion and then everything will work out. Find the right answer. No. There is no right answer. It's keep changing. How many of you have kept the money? I saw my elders. Security is the amount of money you have. Means you stop taking any kind of risk. You stop living. इतना पैसा मैंने रख दिया, अब इसको तो मैंने छेड़ना नहीं है, नहीं तो ये चला जाएगा. And then you keep that money and you keep happy that 5%, 7%, it keeps growing in the bank, and you are living a limited life. And then you don't even use that money, and your children use it for you. What did you come here to this world to keep money for your offsprings? And you never go beyond what you've decided is the right. That's all you will allow yourself. Whereas humanoids are not content. They are always looking for more. This world is where it is because of the humanoids. If you don't risk, you don't create a life that you desire to have. In the beginning, when I'm not very proud of it, because I didn't know any better. That time wasn't so deep into Access. I just went to Access, and it was such a change and such a fresh, simple freshness to the life that I could choose at age 62. Access fell in my lap, and I sold my jewelry to do classes. Please don't follow what I'm saying. Though I have made more than what I spent, but that time I could have chosen something different too. I could have asked. I didn't know asking, or I didn't know choosing could bring me money. I was so obsessed at 62. I thought, अब मेरे को किसके लिए jewelry रखनी है? अपने आप बच्चे जो करेंगे करेंगे. Let me sell and do all the classes in 1.5 years. I was a certified facilitator. So I was like, no matter what it takes, I'm going to risk everything to actually live the way I would like to live. So I risked. It paid off.
This is a possibility too. That and thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you. But please don't choose that. You have other things.
हमने इतना सेविंग्स नहीं किया कि ज्वेलरी खरीद सके.
You can ask for it and you can show up. You can choose. When you choose something, you start the ball rolling. You start the universe to have your back and show you and make it possible for you to do that. But the moment you keep calculating and you don't want to risk, and then you stay where you are. It's not wrong, it's not right. It just is. You are so comfortable being a victim, you're so comfortable blaming. So you could ask, what risk could I take here that would not be selling the jewelry, that would not be gambling, but that would create a different possibility? When you're choosing I wouldn't call that risk. I would call that a possibility. You put it on the table and rolling the dice. You're always looking at what might be possible if you were choosing for you. You have to be willing to choose for you. Instead of trying to pretend you can't. And you will never be jealous of anybody. Because what does it take to be jealous of someone? Insecurity. Or you have to tell yourself that you don't know the value. You don't have any value. That one has. That is why it distracts you. That is why it is a distractor implant. Distracts you from who you are and what you can create. It makes you feel less. Are you less than anybody? No, you're different. You're not less. You can't be less. You're an infinite being. But we picked up from this reality to always think rather than know. What do you know? Just a simple question ask yourself every time you're stuck. Hey, what do I know here? That I'm pretending not to know. That if I acknowledged it and if I chose it, I could create anything. Please follow your knowing rather than going to a default place in your head. Like in Access, we say thinking is stinking, is dangerous, give it up.
Well, it's 9 o'clock.
Oh, thank you. Guys, if there is any burning question that you want to ask, please go for it. Hi, Tamanna. Good morning, Seema. I hope it was a contribution, guys. And what's the topic for next Sunday?
Thank you, Kaustubh. It was a
New Year
huge
resolution we
contribution.
should start with.
Uh,
The whole
Sorry.
lie about it.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
I said New Year resolution and goals and all the myth around it. Maybe
All right, let's go. Let's do.
we are entering December, right?
Yeah, let's do that. Resolutions and the myth of it or behind that. Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Everybody
It was
agrees?
such a huge contribution.
Thank you, Rupal.
It was to the nail. I think I just was in that world since quite few days, and you've hit it super.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here. Okay, guys, see you next Sunday.